Ever felt like your apartment walls are made of paper? The music from next door, the never-ending honking from outside, and let's not forget the tap-dancing toddler upstairs. It's like the universe turned your home into a noise festival. But here's the kicker: you don't have to live like this. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate guide to noise-proofing your apartment on a budget. And trust me, you'll be amazed at how simple these solutions are. Let's face it, noise isn't just annoying, it's harmful. It wrecks your focus, steals your sleep, and even raises your stress levels. But the good news, a few smart tweaks can bring the peace you crave without breaking the bank. First up, seal the gaps. Did you know that tiny gaps around your door and windows are the main culprits for noise leaks? Grab some weather stripping tape. Yes, the same stuff used for insulation. It's cheap, easy to install, and works like a charm to block out noise. Let's talk about the space under your door, that gap. It's like a welcome mat for noise. Door sweeps are your best friend here. Slide one on, and voila, instant soundproofing. Plus, it keeps dust and bugs out. Bonus win. Step 3: heavy curtains. Not just any curtains, though. Opt for blackout or thermal curtains. These bad boys absorb sound and block light. Double duty for the win. Hang them up, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Next, rugs. Think of your floor as a giant drum that amplifies noise. A thick area rug or even a few layered rugs can work wonders. Got hardwood floors? Add a rug pad underneath for extra soundproofing power. Here's a hack you didn't see coming: furniture placement. That bookshelf you've been meaning to reorganize. Move it to the wall you share with a noisy neighbor. Fill it with books, and boom, it doubles as a sound baffle. Acoustic foam panels sound fancy, but they are surprisingly affordable. Stick them up on walls where noise hits hardest, like above your bed or desk. They are lightweight, stylish, and you can even find peel and stick versions. DIY level, easy. Sometimes, you fight noise with noise white noise, that is, a compact white noise machine masks background sounds, so you can finally relax or focus. Think of it as the modern-day sleep fairy. For those of you in a pinch, try these bonus hacks. Roll up a towel and shove it under your door for instant sound blocking. Or hang a tapestry on a bare wall. It absorbs sound while adding some flair to your space. Got a blanket? Use command hooks to hang it temporarily where noise hits hardest. Instant fix. Look at the transformation. From chaotic to calm, from noisy to serene, all without draining your wallet. Who knew noise proofing could be this simple? There you have it, your ultimate guide to noise proofing your apartment on a budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or your own noise proofing hacks. See you in the next one. Peace and quiet guaranteed.